Okay, well, what we're going to do here is this whole area, this side of that dormer, up the chimney around, and up that side of the dormer. We're going to create us a nice little envelope, but there ain't no way any water can get in there. All hydrostop. Well, I'm taking a lot of video, but this is a monster. Real challenge. Especially coming behind some other people that, fairly well. I know one of the roofers has been here before. He's a pretty good guy. But I'm going to test my knowledge on this one here, buddy. I know we can do it. So, check back in for updates later on this project. Kenny, Tybee Island, Georgia. I want to be your roofer.